In today's video, I'll show you how to create long-form narration in ElevenLabs for content like audiobooks, documentaries, tutorials, and storytelling videos. If you're new to long-form narration, the key is to keep your audio clear, consistent, and easy for listeners to follow from beginning to end. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech or project section. These tools are ideal for working with longer scripts and managing multiple sections in one place. Next, prepare your script before you begin. Break it into smaller chapters or sections instead of pasting everything at once. This makes editing, reviewing, and regenerating audio much easier. Now, create a new project or start a new narration. Paste the first section of your script into the editor and choose a voice that fits the tone of your content. Before generating the audio, read through your text one more time. Correct any spelling mistakes, add punctuation where needed, and make sure the formatting is clean for smoother narration. Click the Generate button and let ElevenLabs create the audio. When it's finished, listen carefully to check the pacing, pronunciation, and overall flow. Repeat the same process for each section of your script. Working one part at a time helps maintain quality and makes it easier to fix any issues without affecting the rest of the narration. Once all sections are complete, review them in order to ensure the narration sounds consistent from start to finish. Finally, download your audio files and combine them if needed to create a complete narration ready for your project. And that's how you create long-form narration in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.